In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix copy and paste problem in Word document. So you can try this method. Click on File, then More, then Options. Here click on Trust Center, then click on Trust Center Settings. Here guys, you have to enable this setting. Enable all macros. If you see any another option, so select this last option. And make sure guys it's not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run if you enable this setting, but if you need so you can enable it. Then click on OK. Again click on OK. Now try to copy paste from any macro or from online any text or content. Hopefully guys using this method you can fix and resolve. Give your feedback by comment if you think this video is useful, so share, like and subscribe this channel.